Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. Today we are going to discuss about pollination in flowering plant. As we have discussed in our previous lecture, that is development of embryo sac and parts of female reproductive part of a flower, that is pistil. Pistil has three main parts, that is stigma, style and ovary. Let us start pollination. Now what is pollination? Pollination is a process in which pollen grains move from anther to stigma of a flower by different means, that is called as pollination. Clear? Pollination is a process in which pollen grains move from anther to stigma of a flower, that is called as pollination. Clear? As we have studied about development of pollen grain and development of embryo sac or female gametophyte. In pollination, pollen grains move from anther to stigma of a flower. Clear? Now, kind of pollination. Depending on the source of pollen, pollination can be divided into three types. What are those? First one, that is autogamy. In this type, pollination is achieved within the same flower. Means flower should be bisexual. In this type, pollination is achieved within the same flower. Transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of same flower. In a normal flower which opens and exposes the anthers and the stigma, complete autogamy is rather rare. Autogamy in such flower requires synchrony in pollen release and stigma receptivity also. Means when the pollen is released from anther, then stigma should be mature one to receive the pollen grain. The anthers and the stigma should lie close to each other so that self-pollination can occur. Some plants such as Viola, common pansy, oxalis and Carmelina produces two types of flower, that is chasmogamous flower, which are similar to flowers of other species with exposed anthers and stigma. Means the flower in chasmogamous is of open type, and in clistogamous flowers which do not open at all. In such flowers, the anther and stigma lie close to each other. When anther dehisces in the flower buds, pollen grain come in contact with the stigma to perform the pollination. Thus, clistogamous flowers are invariably autogamous, as there is no chance of cross pollination. When the flower is closed one, then there is no chance of other pollens to come inside the flower. Clear? When the flower is closed one, then outside pollen are unable to go inside. Because of this reason, in clistogamy there is only self-pollination is possible. Clear? Thus clistogamous flowers are invariably autogamous, as there is no chance of cross-pollen landing on the stigma. Clistogamous flowers produce assured seed set even in the absence of pollinators. Clear? Next one, that is geitonogamy. In this, transfer of pollen grain from the anther to stigma of another flower of the same plant. Clear? In self-pollination or autogamy, there is transfer of pollen from anther to stigma of a flower of same plant. Means there should be same flower where pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower. In case of self pollination, this is also geitonogamy is also like autogamy or self pollination. But what is the difference? Difference is here the transfer of pollen grain from anther of a flower to move to stigma of another flower of same plant. Clear? Of same species. Means transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of another flower of same plant. Although geitonogamy is functionally cross-pollination involving a pollinating agent, genetically it is similar to autogamy, since the pollen grain come from same plant. Clear? Next, that is genogamy. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of a different plant of same species. Genogamy is also known as cross pollination. Means transfer of pollen from a anther of a flower to stigma of another flower of different plant of same species. That is called as cross pollination. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of a different plant. This is the only type of pollination which during pollination bring genetically different type of pollen grains to the stigma. In our next lecture we will discuss agents of pollination. Okay, thank you.